It wasn't just a hike. It felt like a calling. From the early hours, they started arriving. One by one, then in groups, until the school compound overflowed. Over 500 youths from different parts of Enugu gathered here. Some had never met. Some didn't even know what to expect. But they all showed up, drawn to something deep in the hills of Amabor. Something powerful, something untamed. We weren't just hikers. We were seekers in the verge of discovery. We left the school like a wave, young, excited, unsure. We didn't know what was ahead, but we kept moving with purpose. Strangers turned into teammates, all driven by the same curiosity.
If we produce, we sell, we eat. This is the sample of it. Outside, man.
The waterfall was still out of sight, but something deeper was pulling us forward. was wind. Others felt it deep, like a drum in their chest. But we all knew what was coming. We were close, and the forest was about to reveal its secret. Soon after we came down, it appeared. Tall, wide, alive. Amabor Waterfall, roaring like it had waited for us all along. We shouted, we stirred, we celebrated. Nature has welcomed us, and we felt small but seen. We stayed, we danced, we brought life and joy to that quiet place. It wasn't just a place, it felt like the answer to all the stress, noise and disconnection. This moment reminded us of what really matters. Walking back, we weren't the same people who came. We had climbed, laughed, slept, helped, discovered. This was more than a hike. It was healing, disguised as adventure. Some came for the hike, some for fun, some for peace. But what we found was each other. Amabor didn't just give us a waterfall, it gave us a moment we always remember.